Hello and welcome to Bespoke Unit. My name is Paul Anthony and today we're going to be exploring how to season your humidor with Boveda. So you may have just got a new wooden humidor, and what you're going to have to do first is season it before you can introduce your cigars. What we've got here is a 100 count desktop humidor with the link below on where to buy it. This is a great entry-level piece that's about $100. As it's a 100 count humidor, we're going to want to use 4 of these packs because they're good for 25 cigars each. You're also going to want to evenly distribute them throughout the humidor itself. So in this example, we're going to put 2 on the top shelf, 1, 2, and we're going to put 2 in the bottom, 1, 2. And guys, it's really this simple. There you have it. You're going to close the lid, leave it for 2 weeks, and that's going to actually season the wood by releasing that moisture out from the packs themselves. This is the one instance that you can overuse Boveda packs, unlike the regular Boveda packs that can't be overused. This is due to the fact that you can oversaturate the wood itself, causing potential construction issues such as poor quality seals or bowing the wood itself. So once that 2 weeks is up, you're going to want to take these packs out, throw them away. They cannot be used again because they've given up too much moisture and shall not be able to re-season a humidor in the future. This 10 pack of 84RH 60 gram packs came in at about $42, so you can probably get 2.5 seasonings of this particular box here. You're going to want to do this probably 3 or 4 times with a new humidor, as the wood is going to age and mature over that time. Furthermore, if you're using a properly calibrated hygrometer, video below can't stress how important calibration of hygrometers is, and that reads below 60%, this may trigger another seasoning event for you, and you may even want to consider getting a higher quality humidor because the seal may be compromised, etc. So guys, that's how you season a humidor with Boveda packs. As always, if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the section below. Like this video if you did indeed like it, and as always, please subscribe to Bespoke Unit. My name is Paul Anthony, and I'll see you next time.